So we are at RSH Tollygunje, RSH signature. We are here to install shower enclosures. We have completed one number. There are basically 4 numbers of shower enclosure to be installed at this site. So this is the first one. You can see fixtures on both sides, and the door is in the middle with this glass to glass hinges and the connectors to fix the fixed glass with so fixed glass are connected by 2 connectors. This is one connector, this is another connector on the wall side, and these 2 are on the floor side. So these are the 2 glass to glass hinges. This is the shower handle with a towel rod outside. Now this is the magnet that we need to put in between door and the fixed glass, and this is the other side glass. And so in some places we touch the glass on the from ceiling till floor, but here is half partition. We have kept around 15 inches space over the enclosure. Basically, when there is steam bath inside the enclosure, then we should extend the size of the glass from to ceiling, otherwise the steam will come out. And since there is no steam in this bathroom, so we have kept a space on the top of the shower enclosure so that it won't be, so that if we close the window also, the air gets, ভেতরটা ইভাপোরেশন না হয়ে যায়, যাতে তাহলে পুরো, যদি আপনারা গরম জল দিয়ে স্নান করেন তাহলে ভেতরটা পুরো ধোয়া হয়ে যাবে, গরম হয়ে যাবে। তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে ওপরে এই জায়গাটা আমরা রাখি শাওয়ার এনক্লোজারের ক্ষেত্রে। আর স্টিম হলে তো you are putting steam so that the steam doesn't comes out. স্টিম যাতে বেরিয়ে না, যদি স্টিম বেরিয়ে যায় এসির মতো, স্টিম বেরিয়ে গেলে তো আপনার ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিল বেশি কনজিউম হবে। তো সেই জন্য স্টিমে কী হয়, স্টিম আমরা শাওয়ার এনক্লোজারকে একদম এক্সটেন্ড করে দিই টিল সিলিং। আর এটা স্টিম নেই বলে সেই জন্য এটা ওপর থেকে আমরা 15 ইঞ্চি গ্যাপটা রেখেছি। এখন এইখানে সিলিংটা বেশি বলে, নইলে এমনি 1 feet ইজ এনাফ, 8 inches to 1 feet ইজ এনাফ। ওপরে আমরা এরকম স্পেস রাখি। So this is the door. When you open the door, this is the towel handle, and the D handle is from inside. So when you open it, you go inside and we close it. Now, see, there is enough space to take bath. You don't require also, even you can put a cloth holding rack also here. So this is how we install shower enclosures. Basically, installation under process. The fixed glasses have already been installed. Now they will hang the door in between. Then they will fix the rod on the top, and after that they will put the profiles, and then at last they will put the silicone and everything. Then the entire work will be completed. So we usually prefer to put SS304 fittings in all the bathroom in every shower enclosure, because since water gets splashes to the fittings, so the fittings may take rust quickly. So it's better to use SS304 fitting. I'll show you. This is 304 fitting, and This is also 304 fittings. We use Jindal SS304 rod on the top and rod on the top. Then there are two hinges. See, I'll show you the hinges. This is the hinge. This is the hinges. This is also 304 grade hinges. This is glass to glass hinge, and basically the bathroom here is big. That's why we have put two fixed glasses on two sides and the door in the middle. But in most cases, since the bathroom width is 56 to 58 inches, so there will be one door and one fix. So the door will hang from the side wall, and the fix will be on the other side. So we don't need glass to glass hinges in that case, but here we need glass to glass hinges. So that's the thing. So we are left with another three more. No, this is the second one they are installing. So another two shower enclosures need to be installed. That will be the end of our project for installation of 4 showers. That's it. Thank you very much.